All right, so in this video, we are going to create a simple template with Flask make view. And let's just suppose you wanted a about page for your company. So we're gonna do Flask make view about and then see what happens. Now I have my application running over here. So let's bump this up. Here's my whole world. And if I go into VS Code, then here is that hello world template. So under apps, templates, mains, there's my index.html file. And so here's my hello world. Now, when I run this command, so we're in our terminal, and just so you can see, and just for full disclosure, I have upgraded the package for Flask Commands. So Flask Commands -v or minus version, I'm on 04. So you'll want to upgrade to version 04. The upgrade is we've talked about how to do that already when we did the installation. So just follow those steps and make sure you're on 04. Otherwise, if you're on 03, you're going to end up seeing a slightly different file. So we're going to make Flask make view about. So we'll just run that. Now, when I do this, let me just bring this over here. You'll want to watch here. Let's make this ginormous. You'll want to watch over here because you'll see just right here, you should see an about pop in with base.html, not inside mains. So there it is. There's the about. So let's check out about. And here's what about has. So about is a file, and it says HTML, but you're probably like, Drew, that doesn't look like any I see one HTML tag. What are you doing? This is Jinja. Just don't stress out. I'm gonna go over all this. This is Jinja, and this is the HTML inside a Jinja block. So there's kind of two, and we'll get into more detail there. There's two different types of tags, if you want, for Jinja. One has this percent and then the bracket, and then the other one is a double bracket. We'll go over what those do, but if I put in HTML in here, I'm going to see that on the page. Now, right now, we cannot go to about in the URL and just expect that to work. And that is by design, because there are times where you just want to create the HTML file and you want to start editing it, and you don't necessarily need to wire it up. You don't know what the route is going to be, and so you just want the file on disk for right now, and you want to save some content into that file. Maybe it's something that you've been thinking about or working on. Okay, so just to prove this, here is my browser, and if I go to about, I'm going to receive a 404 error, page not found, and sure enough, I do. And if I go to my terminal, which is running my Flask application, there you see that call to about and it returning a 404. So that's your server saying, hey, we don't have this page. We will hook this page up, so don't stress, don't worry, all good things to come. But right now, it's nice, it's simple. You have no routes, no controllers, no models, just the file, and you're ready to kind of get into building out this file. I'm gonna explain in the next video how this file is all structured. So we'll see you in the next video.